In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a background to all slides in Canva. And so if you're ready to enhance your presentations with a consistent and visually appealing background, follow along with me. We'll start by heading over to the Canva website. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to Canva, it's quite intuitive, but you'll need an account to access its full range of features. Once you're logged in, you can either create a new presentation or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, simply click on the Create a Design button and choose Presentation from the drop-down menu. If you already have a presentation in place that you want to modify, locate it in your designs and open it up. Now that you're in your presentation, the first thing you'll want to do is select the slide where you'd like to change the background. Click on that slide so it's active. Once you've got your slide selected, look up towards the floating toolbar at the top of your workspace. Here you'll find a tool labeled Color. Clicking this will open a palette where you can select or customize a color for your background. For those of you wanting a bit more variety, you can also upload an image to use as a background or choose from Canva's library of photos and illustrations. Experiment with this until you find a background that matches the aesthetic you're going for. Moving on to the rest of your slides, we need to change the view to make it easier to apply this background to all slides. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see an option called Grid View. Click on it and your presentation will transform into a grid layout where you can see all your slides at once. Find the slide that now has your desired background and right-click on it. In the menu that pops up, look for an option that says Copy Page Style and click on it. This step ensures that the style, including the background, is transferred from this slide to others. Next, still in Grid View, navigate to the slides where you want to apply the copied background. Right-click on each of these slides. When you see the menu pop up again, simply click on Paste Page Style. As you repeat this action for each slide, you'll notice the background is consistently applied, creating a unified look across your entire presentation. And there you have it, a cohesive presentation with a background applied to every slide in your Canva design. Taking the time to establish a consistent visual theme can significantly enhance the overall impact of your presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see the amazing designs you'll create with your new skills in Canva.